I think it's always when you tour South Africa, you learn a lot. It's always playing tough here, which we knew it, and we tried to plan for it. We practiced it, but unfortunately things didn't go to plan. But there's still some things we think that we have achieved in this tour. That learning is one thing, and it's also like few of the batsmen really stuck in, and they showed that they can play on these hard wickets. But we did not. As a batting unit, maybe not scored enough runs, but I think in coming future, these all of the batsmen will learn a lot and do well in the future. I think pace and bounce we knew we were going to get, but I think the wickets were. If you ask even South African batsmen, they would say that these wickets were hard. The bounce were quite. It's not quite even. The cracks were there in both the wickets, but it's same for the both teams. Maybe we didn't perform the well as we should have done. We had the opportunities, but I think South African attack is very good, especially in these conditions. All of the bowlers bowl 140 plus, apart from Philander, but he's quite accurate. But I think their pace is quite tough on these kind of wickets where the bounce is a little bit unwary. So yeah.
Series, but still got a lot to play for tomorrow. So what's the mood in camp?
Yeah, obviously, it's obviously disappointing losing the series, but every test match you play outside, like you play in South Africa, England, Australia, it's always important to. Each and every test match is important for us, and hopefully we can bring our A game tomorrow and win this test match, and it will be very good for, especially the tour is still not over. The one days will be played as well, so that will be a great boost for the one day side as well. So I think we are really looking forward to this test match and doing well in it. Obviously, since last 2 years, I think I felt the best when I was batting in the nets, and I had a decent series against New Zealand, and coming into this test series in very much good confidence, and also the way I was playing in nets, I played the way I played in side game. I felt very good. Unfortunately, in the games I didn't perform, but I still have one game to play, and hopefully I can convert that good touch to in the middle. You can feel as much as good as you can in the nets, but it's important to transfer that into the middle. But I couldn't do it. But I'm still confident that if I get a good start, I can convert it to a big one. We just want to do our best and bring our best game forward. The difference, obviously, whenever you play well and start dominating the test match, it's always good to be in front of the game in these conditions. When you fell behind, it's hard to come back because it's not easy out there. So I think if we can get in front of the game early, it will be good for us.
Well, what do you make of it?
Well, I think it looks a better track than both of them, because yes, it has dust and it will be there, but I think in terms of cracks, I think it will widen up later, a lot later than it did in the first 2 test matches. I think it's better, there might be changes, but I think it's better to captain to speak about it and the coach. It might be a few changes according to what the best balance suits on this pitch. So I think whatever the captain and coach thinks about it, and whatever they want to say, I think they're the better person.
Difference between the two teams.
Sorry,
what do you hope will be